Hi guys, this is a 2 litre rest that I bought for my wife, and basically this is what spurred doing these videos, or video. If anybody finds that it's going to be of use to them, I'll then do videos. So basically when I bought it, it came on the outside. You'll see it when it's spun over. It looked great. It looked like all it needed was arches, and it turns out that's not the case. To be fair, it's a little bit crusty. So basically, I decided that I would make videos of what I'm doing and show everybody that you can take them from any state and make them good. Now, you're going to have a lot of people telling you different stuff. This is for the ordinary man in the street, not a fabricator, to do this type of stuff. So far with this one, what I've done is I've put inner sill repairs, which I'll show you in a minute when I pick up a light. Inner sill repairs, bottom of quarter panel, new arches, second-hand good inner arch, because this one was absolutely rotten. And basically this chassis that you see here I made from scratch. So this is it, and it's made out of, the original is 1 mil, this is 1.5 mil. I just thought if I'm going to make it, I might as well make it really solid. This cross brace was rotten. Everything that you see here is the same state that that basically the good side that I'm showing you was. Everything was like that. Crusty, horrible, terrible. So as you can see, the primer is only etch primer. It's merely to stop surface rust. It's not, none of the welds have been dressed or anything like that. This is just, it's been fitted and I'm moving on and getting on. But even this inner lower quarter was all made by hand. And I think I've just showed you that this one is, it's basically like a lace doily, but never mind. So I've got all the parts made ready for this chassis leg to make, and this is one of the videos that I'll make for everyone. And this is the side of the car that you'll see brought to the same area. So this is all new. Even the heavy part of the rear hanger is new. All the metal around the hanger is new. It's not going to be a show car, far from it. I'll just quickly pick up this light and I'll show you inside that this is the inner sill repair, and it's also a little bit in here where I can show you that obviously some of the inner quarter structure had gone as well, which is this piece up there. You can see here that I've repaired the floor where it meets the arch, and that goes right the way through, basically just because it was rotten. You can see there where the replacement arch has been fitted. So all of this is nothing that you can't do from jack stands. So this is the side of the car that basically somebody bought it, and what they were gonna do was put on a X-Pack body kit, I think. And to be fair, the thing would have snapped off is basically what would have happened. And if you look at this sill, it's like a banana. So it is what it is. But I'll spin the car over and let you see it the right way up.